All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to go in and show you how to get rid of your redirection screen or how to customize it to fit your own needs. So this redirection screen right here is the default redirection screen, and I'm going to show you how you can go in and just quickly customize that or get rid of it. Okay, so if you want to get rid of it completely, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings screen, and in your settings screens, you're just going to click on this option that says don't show default redirection screen. So I'm just going to click on that option. I'm going to confirm the changes. And now that I've confirmed those changes, I'm going to go to my short link again. And this time you'll see that my short link does not have that redirection screen whatsoever. It doesn't exist there. Okay, so it's completely gone. All right. And now that you know how to get rid of it, I'm going to show you how you can also go in and customize it. If you want to go in and customize it and have your own custom redirection screen, you can just click on this where it says show default redirection screen. You can change your colors if you want. I'm gonna make mine red just for fun. You can change your logo if you want to change your logo. I'm going to put in this picture about Link Wizard right here. You can change the redirection time. I'm going to move mine to 8 seconds. And you can also change the text. I'm going to put powered by Link Wizard here. And then you can just go ahead and save these changes. And then once you save these changes, if we open up our short link again, you'll see that now it has a completely customized redirection screen. Here's your customized redirection screen that you've customized. All right, so this is if you want a customized redirection screen. And remember, I did show you how you can go in and actually turn it off. I'm going to leave mine completely turned off because I like to have mine turned off. Now that it's actually turned off, if you go back to that link again, you'll see that now the redirection screen is not there, and you're just going to go directly to your long link. So now you know how to customize your redirection screen and how to turn it off.